Do you want to transform your kitchen into a hub of healthy cooking without spending endless hours? Healthy Cooking Hacks for Every Kitchen is your ticket to culinary efficiency that not only saves time but also elevates the nutritional value of your meals. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore a collection of ingenious kitchen hacks that make healthy cooking a breeze. 1. Unlocking culinary secrets. In the opening paragraph, introduce the idea of unlocking culinary secrets that can make cooking a healthier and more enjoyable experience. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that these hacks are the key to culinary efficiency. 2. The power of meal prep. Begin by explaining the concept of meal prep. Describe how it can save you time and ensure that healthy ingredients are readily available for cooking, helping you make better choices. 3. Healthy swaps and substitutions. Delve into the world of ingredient swaps and substitutions. Discuss how simple changes like using Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise or zoodles, zucchini noodles instead of pasta can transform your dishes into healthier versions of your favorites. 4. Flavor-packed herbs and spices. Explore the incredible impact of herbs and spices on flavor. Share tips on using fresh herbs and spices to enhance taste without relying on excessive salt, sugar, or unhealthy fats. 5. Efficient cooking techniques. Discuss efficient cooking techniques that retain the nutrients in your ingredients. Explain how steaming, stir-frying, and roasting can bring out the best in your food while preserving its health benefits. 6. Smart kitchen gadgets. Emphasize the value of smart kitchen gadgets. Highlight the usefulness of tools like a blender for smoothies, an air fryer for healthier fried foods, or a food scale for precise portion control. 7. Homemade sauces and dressings. Show how making your own sauces and dressings at home can significantly reduce hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Provide simple recipes for homemade options. 8. Time management and planning. Conclude with the idea that time management and planning are the keys to successfully implementing these hacks. Encourage readers to embrace these strategies for efficient and healthy cooking. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the power of healthy cooking hacks but will also be inspired to transform their kitchens into hubs of culinary efficiency and nutritious delight. Healthy Cooking Hacks for Every Kitchen is not just a collection of tips, it's a lifestyle choice that promotes wellness and culinary mastery. So, let's embark on this culinary journey where every meal becomes a masterpiece of health and flavor, all thanks to these ingenious kitchen hacks. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.